Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fitbit Sense 2. First, download the Fitbit app from your phone's App Store, available on both iOS and Android. Next, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled in your settings. Finally, charge your new Fitbit Sense 2 to at least 80% before you begin the setup process to avoid any interruptions. This ensures a smooth and successful initial connection. Once the app is installed, open it and either log into your existing Fitbit account or create a new one. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner, then select Set up a device. Choose Sense 2 from the list of available devices. The app will then guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts to complete the pairing, which usually takes just a few moments. To ensure your health data is always up to date, keep your Fitbit Sense 2 within 20 feet of your phone. The Fitbit app is designed to automatically sync your activity, heart rate, and sleep metrics throughout the day. If you ever need to manually sync, simply pull down on the dashboard within the app. Regularly checking your app provides valuable insights into your daily wellness. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and your Fitbit Sense 2 can often resolve them. Also, verify that the Fitbit app has all necessary permissions enabled in your phone settings. Always keep your app and device firmware updated for optimal performance. Should problems persist, try unpairing the device from your phone's Bluetooth settings and then repairing it through the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.